When your plan for the day starts on the trail and ends far above it, our men's Terravia Alpine pants rise to the occasion. We built these lightweight, soft-shell pants for scrambly hikes, long alpine rock routes, and all-day movement above the tree line. They're made with an airy, stretchy blend of spandex and recycled polyester that dumps heat and flexes with your every move. Extra paneling at the seat and on the front of the legs adds durability against rock and abrasion, and a durable water-repellent finish made without intentionally added PFAS sheds light drizzle and river spray. An articulated design preserves total freedom of movement on tricky terrain. Plus, the cinchable cuffs adjust with a cord lock for better visibility when fancy footwork is on the menu. The low-profile waistband has a removable, adjustable belt to ensure a precise fit all day long. For maximum storage, these pants have front zip pockets with breathable mesh pocket bags that lie flat under a harness, as well as a right thigh zip pocket that sits comfortably below harness leg loops for easy access en route. One right rear pocket adds additional storage too. On long, fast-paced alpine days, the men's Terravia Alpine pants are always ready to rope up.